Hey everybody, this is Peter at Plumbing Express, here to bring you a bit of new equipment, new material that's out there. So this is a new type of leak and water monitoring system, very similar to some of the others out there, Fin Plus, Flow Logic, the Moen Flow, but this is a new one. One of the things that's exciting about this one here is I do love to see that this one is assembled in the USA. Pretty much so many things anymore, especially if it's components like this with a lot of electronics. They're not going to be able to make everything here, but it is nice to see that they are assembled here. So again, this is a new product that's out there. We were given this product to check out. We're going to be installing it in the customer's home so they can take a look at it and see how it works for them. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. So we got a little unboxing going. Definitely the box is really set up nicely to be very pretty, which is great for the customer facing kind of look. So inside here we have nicely packaged, everything's staying together well. Doesn't look like we got a problem with anything falling around. This is nice. They give you a nice jumper in there, so if you're going to be installing this early in a situation of during construction. The nice thing is instead of having your expensive device out there, you can just put this in there. We also found that these are handy if you're not installing a bypass. This is a good thing to be able to have in case there ever is a problem with the device and it's leaking or having a problem. You can take it out and just reinstall this in its place. So that is a nice thing to have. We have our several different, or not several different, but a setup for being able to do 1 inch. That will go right onto here, which is nice. So let's see, let's take that out of there. And so we have a nice overall. It's sealed up, so they give you some rubber caps on there. So these are going to be able to go onto there, put the rubber adapters on there. So one of the great things about this unit is it is designed, it is 3 sizes in one. Yes, you would have to get different adapters for this, but it is made for 3/4, 1 inch, and 1.25 inches. Inside of here is a stainless steel ball valve that is set up that it does exercise itself, usually in the evening or in the early morning hours, to make certain that it's not seizing up. So it does that, I think once a week, I believe, that it does that. It's also designed where it can run a pressure check on your house, or it does run a pressure check on your house. So as we can see, we've got some little buttons on the top there. Talking to them, they did tell us that this unit is able to be installed outside. They do recommend that it has some protection. So basically like a semi-covered area, someplace that would not receive a lot of water. So down here on the end, there is a little cover that would be there to protect it from water getting down inside there. It has a nice little flat, so you can use a regular flathead screwdriver to be able to turn this. There is a worm gear that comes inside of here, and then that turns and will actuate both opening and closing the gears that would open and close the ball valve inside there. So that's how you would do that manually. If it got stuck in the closed position and you needed water, it does have a nice thing on there too. It tells you which way to turn for it to open and which way for it to turn to close. It also has some buttons in there for being able to get to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and stuff like that. So put that back on there for now. So that's a nice feature that they have that on there. It's very similar to both the Moen Flow and the Fin Plus that we've installed before in terms of having some of the rubberized covers on the ports. You know, again, it is nice because you see that you have some different indicators on here. You can have a no water indicator, you can have the Wi-Fi indicator, you also have a Bluetooth indicator on here as well, and you have the button here that will allow it to open and close. So a nice feature about this as well, they did try to take into account that different people have different parameters, so you are able to go in there and make some adjustments to different settings for how it's going to, what different things it's going to read and give you alerts on and stuff like that, different levels that the alerts will look to tell you about. As I mentioned, it is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatible, so both items will work on there. So inside there, it does have several different sensors. So this has a ultrasonic flow sensor in it, which means there is no impeller to have any hard water adhere to and cause any problems with. It also would not have any situations where, like down here in Florida, we get sometimes shell or rock gravel. Definitely can get sand in there, as you can imagine, but that can flow through when there's something actually immersed in the water, like the Moen Flow has an impeller inside of it. That can lead to problems, which will make it so that that could get seized up. So the ultrasonic gets rid of that, doesn't have that situation. It also has a pressure sensor, a temperature sensor, and this one, something that sets it apart from all the other units that we've installed so far, is this one actually has a TDS sensor in well. So that is a total dissolved solid sensor in there. So that does provide a nice thing for both the homeowners and also the plumbers that are installing it. It lets them be able to keep an eye on the water quality going into the customer's house, and the customers can keep an eye on the water quality that they're experiencing. Maybe it leads to the idea that you should want to get some filtration on there to lower that down. With some different parameters being met, you can have up to a 5-year warranty on this. And it does have a homeowner's app that you use to control everything, monitor things, get your set up your alerts and stuff like that. Through the alerts can be able to be push notification or also to your email. And the really nice feature on this as well is there is a pro dashboard right off the bat. So that is something you access through a desktop application. But so that would be for the plumbers and different type of people like that that would be handling it, possibly property managers or things like that, maybe apartment managers that would be able to keep an eye over everything with that. So that is everything that's in there. You know, I didn't bring it up, but it does have your regular little adapter in there that's going to plug into a 120 outlet, and then it's going to transform it down to some lower voltage to be able to run everything. So really it's pretty straightforward. There's not a whole lot that's inside the box, but there doesn't have to be a whole lot in there if it is all in there done well and packed in there nicely. So we've got all those things, and let's just double check. Yep, nothing in the bottom, but we do have some QR codes on here, and the QR codes are there to be able to help you understand how to install it. Most of these anymore are not coming with any type of installation instructions. The Moen Flow doesn't any longer. The Fin, some of the others don't as well. And the reason being is that most manufacturers of these type of products that are continually growing, developing, adding new features, they found that it doesn't really do any good to write up a manual that is going to be obsolete in 6 months, maybe less. So now they've just put in the QR code on there, and that way you're always finding the most up-to-date. They can also put links in there a lot of times, so that you might be able to have a link to a video installation as well as actual like literature information of how it's being put together. So let's go ahead and close that up. Let me just double check here. We've got kind of the sheet on this just to give us a little bit, make sure there's nothing that we missed. They do give you some nice information to be able to go over things with your customers, and for homeowners, you can definitely feel very good. They do give you some good pictures there, so that way you can kind of see how that ultrasonic beam comes through there, and it's going to read the pressure, or read not just the pressure, but the pressure, the flow, temperature, all that type of stuff. So it's a great product. We're going to be looking forward to putting one in. So look for a video in the future. We're going to be installing one of these, and then we'll be giving you guys some updates after we've had them in for a while. We appreciate it. Again, this is Peter at Plumbing Express. If this was informative to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to us. We can always be putting out new content. That way you can check out what's new and upcoming in the plumbing world, in the plumbing industry. And don't forget, please comment and let us know if there is any type of product or anything that you'd like to see that we can do a review or take a look into, or just check out and let you know what we think about it. So thank you very much. Again, Peter, Plumbing Express. Have a great day.